When I see stars, I think of you. Then I'll always pray for you. And I know what my heart was made for, to love you forevermore. When I feel you in my heart, then I hear your voice from your eyes. I will always love you, and I'm waiting for you until the